guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you guys and we are going to be testing out two drugstore, but inexpensive magnetic liner and lash, which if you haven't heard, there's a new trend which is basically using liner and magnetic lashes. I don't know if all magnetic lashes will work with the liner, but that's what we're gonna try it today. So I have one from Eylure and one from Ardell. This is what the boxes look like. As you can see, the Eylure one is like an actual, like normal liner, like an actual brush liner. And this one, the Ardell one, it's a gel pot liner. Anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I hope that you're excited because I am excited. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell so you stay notified. All right, let's start the video. Today is the first day that I actually have a viewfinder, which is a little weird for me because I haven't had a viewfinder this entire time that I've been filming YouTube videos. So today is gonna be a little weird. So if you keep seeing me look this way, that is what I'm doing. Let's talk about these liners. So obviously I have my entire makeup done. I didn't do anything with mascara or liner or anything like that. I just did my eyeshadow makeup. I didn't know like when I'm supposed to put mascara on and when I'm not. And there's like intense instructions. The Eyelure one I got from Walmart, and then the Ardell one I ordered online from Sally's because they didn't have it in the store. So I'm gonna start with the Eyelure one just because that's open, because I opened it already and tried to do it, but like I didn't read the instructions or anything like that. You can definitely buy the liner separately. I did see that at Walmart. This is the Eylure liner. This is what the tip looks like. It's like a brush tip, so I think it'd be good to put eyeliner on. I'm not going to do a wing liner. I'm just going to do straight across liner, which is what I usually do when I wear lashes because it hides the band. These are the lashes from the Eylure one. They're really pretty. Obviously, I'm going to have two different lashes on today because the Ardell ones and the Eylure ones are pretty different, as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and do the Eylure on my right hand side, your left, and I'm gonna do the Ardell on my left hand side, your right. Let's start with the Eylure direction. Step 1, apply liner and allow to dry. Step 2, apply 2 more coats, apply magnetic lash to liner. This is probably gonna be a messy ass liner. Also, who wears glitter? They're trying to do a liner video, so I do apologize for my craziness. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first coat. This liner is extremely pigmented. It like is really black as well. So I have to do this one and let it dry. It says to do 2 more coats and then just apply. I don't know if that means 2 more coats and then allow it to dry or just 2 more coats. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. The lash itself looks like this on the band. So I'm gonna put some mascara on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another layer because I think it works better when it's wet. So the lash is on, but it doesn't want to stay on in the corners. Okay, so this is a flop because it doesn't work at all. It doesn't stick to your eye and it gets really messy. The band is extremely messy right now. I don't know if you could see that. It comes right off, so I'm confused as to what they mean by magnetic. It's like, nothing's happening. I thought like that it was gonna stick automatically, like it was just gonna like pop on, be really easy, but like literally I'd rather just go in with glue at this point because it's becoming a mess. It's like all over my face right now. Every time I try to go lay it down on either side, on the outside or on the inside, it just doesn't want to stay. I'm gonna go ahead and with another freaking layer. I don't like the fact that like the magnetics are on this side of the lash and not on like the inside. They're right over here. So they're going to lay like this on your eye and not like this. They're gonna lay like this, which is weird. And the inner corner does not want to lay down. This one is literally making me so annoyed. So every time I blink, it just kind of wants to come off. So I'm gonna move on to the Ardell one. This is what the pot of the Ardell one looks like. It looks like this. It comes with a little brush and I just dug a little bit out of it. It is very gel-like, which is good. So it says apply 2 coats of the magnetic gel liner along the lash line, which I kind of like the instructions of this one better, so hopefully it works better. Let's see how this goes. The gel liner goes on really nicely. It's really easy to work with, so that's my first layer, and I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. These are what the lashes look like. That went on in 2 seconds. Literally 2 seconds. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you can see the difference if I look straight at you. That is on. So I'm gonna do the ultimate test, which is what I usually do, and I'm gonna take my fan here and we're gonna put it on full blast and we're gonna see if this stupid thing stays on. Full blast. She's not moving. So I just put the Ardell other lash on the Eylure side that had their liner on, and it worked. The problem here is not the liner, it's the lash. I have to say though that on the Eylure side where I have the Ardell lash on, it looks a little bit weirder. Like it's not sitting as nicely than it is on this side, which actually has like a gel liner on. Also, I feel like with lashes that I use glue with, I don't feel them, and these ones I can feel. Just to prove the fact that any magnetic lash will fit onto this liner, I'm gonna use these ones. These are really old. I bought them on Amazon a long time ago. This is what it looks like. It's literally like a tiny little thing. I'm gonna take off this one. I bought these a long time ago before magnetic eyeliner exists, and it worked. These are actually the most terrible lashes ever. What was I thinking? Ardell gel liner is so much easier to work with. It has a lot less instructions. It's not gonna get everywhere, and I feel like it has a stronger hold, which sounds weird, but the Eylure liner is a no-go. Don't recommend it for you. I feel like it is not gonna work. It has way too many steps. It's just a little bit too watery. I like actually the pigmentation of it, but I just don't like how many steps I have to do, and it literally got everywhere. I think glue personally is easier. I just don't think that it's as revolutionary and as easy as it looks. All in all, if you want to try this new trend of magnetic liner, I think that you should go ahead and get the magnetic gel liner from Ardell. Just get the liner. I don't think you need the kit unless you really like these. Just go ahead and buy your favorite magnetic lash, just in case you don't like the lashes that the kits come in. But again, Ardell literally just killed it. It took 2 seconds. You saw me struggle with the Eylure one. So personally for me, I think I'll just always use glue because I feel these. With glue, I do not feel my lashes at all. Like if I'm ever trying to run out the freaking door and I want to put lashes on, then I'll just do this, because this did take a little bit less time, especially with the Ardell one. If you like Ardell, definitely check out my full face of Ardell makeup. I will link that video below so you can check it out. Don't forget to leave some comments down below for me. Any videos you want to see on my channel in the future, definitely let me know. Any feedback is obviously appreciated. I hope you guys have a really good week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!